Can AI really do your job? Not just answer trivia questions or solve math problems, but actually deliver real work like a professional. Reports, spreadsheets, presentations. Well, OpenAI just introduced something called GDPval, and it might be the clearest test yet of how useful AI really is in the workplace. For years, AI has been measured with benchmarks, multiple choice exams, logic puzzles, standardized test questions. These benchmarks showed us what AI knew, but not whether it could actually work. After all, passing a high school exam isn't the same as creating a financial report for a company or drafting legal language for a contract. That's where GDPval comes in. GDPval stands for Gross Domestic Product Validation. It's a new evaluation benchmark designed to measure AI on tasks that contribute real economic value. Instead of quizzes, it uses deliverables, full documents, spreadsheets, presentations, diagrams, and more. GDPval spans 44 occupations across 9 industries that make up the backbone of the U.S. economy, from finance to healthcare, law to engineering, marketing to data analysis. In total, 1,320 tasks, and unlike simple prompts, each task includes context, background files, and detailed instructions, just like a real assignment you'd get at work. So how do you measure if an AI's deliverable is any good? GDPval uses blind pairwise grading. Professional experts in each field are shown 2 outputs, one from a human, one from the AI. Without knowing which is which, they decide which one is better, or are they about the same? This results in a win-tie-loss score. How often did the AI match or beat the human expert? On top of that, GDPval also looks at time and cost trade-offs. Sure, AI might be faster and cheaper, but what happens when you include human review, oversight, or corrections? That balance gives a clearer picture of whether AI is really worth using in a professional workflow. So, how are today's models performing? Early results show big improvements. GPT-5, for example, has a significantly higher win or tie rate compared to GPT-4o. In some occupations, AI deliverables are judged equal to or better than professional work nearly half the time. That's a huge leap forward. But it's not perfect. The system is still one shot, meaning the AI gets one chance to deliver, no back-and-forth iterations like a real worker would have. And of course, subjective human judgment plays a role, since experts are comparing outputs based on style and quality. GDPval represents a shift in how we think about AI. Instead of asking, how smart is it? We're now asking, how useful is it in real work? If AI can produce deliverables that match professional output, and do it faster and cheaper, that could transform industries, from lowering costs for businesses, to reshaping the job market, to changing how humans and AI collaborate at work. It's not about replacing people entirely. It's about measuring where AI can realistically contribute to productivity and where human expertise still shines. GDPval might be the most important AI benchmark yet, not because it shows how smart these models are, but because it shows how economically useful they can be. So, what do you think? Would you trust AI to deliver work in your profession? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Simply AI Explained.